today's video I will show you how I created this flower arrangement using my lady head vase, and I will also tell you what flowers I used to create this arrangement. This is how my lady head vase looks without the flowers. It has 16 pretty big holes on her skull, and you can insert flowers in these holes. And the neck is pretty long, so a lot of water can be poured inside the vase to sustain the life of the flowers. Let me show you some past flower arrangements with my lady head vase. Often I use another shallow vase and I place the lady head vase inside. This practice allows me to create a colorful color for my lady vase. These are another version of the same concept. Beautiful arrangement with carnations and stalks. For this fragrant arrangement, I used lilac and honeysuckle. Beautiful look and beautiful smell at once. Dahlias and pentha in this arrangement. Herbs are always beautiful. I use them a lot in my arrangements. I love to brush her head to elicit wonderful and fresh smell of herbs. Those of you who watch my channel probably recognize my Snow Queen, where I also use my lady head vase. She was also featured in my Valentine's Day video. I included the links to both of these videos below. When I don't have live flowers, which happens very rarely, I use artificial plants, like in this case. And I also used ribbon and this artificial bird to finish my arrangement of this vase. Sometimes I use cuttings from my household plants, and this also looks very nice. Let me show now what flowers I will be using for today's arrangement. Spray roses, mums, and my favorite for the spring arrangement, ranunculus. They have amazingly long vase life. Statues in blue color and some filler flowers. I finished my flower arrangement and it turns out to be very pretty. And as I wanted ranunculuses as the focusing point of this arrangement, but all colors complement each other and look very good in my lady head vase. What she needs to do now, she just needs to choose a jewelry to put on her neck, and the arrangement will be done. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe.